Just another beautiful RV. We finished here at the paint department, looking beautiful. Specialized in all the painting. Made sure that we color sanded and buffed it. Made sure the wax brought out the gloss that it needed to have. Again, when it first came, the painting was really dry. So what we did was we color sanded, buffed the whole RV out. We spotted any problems that we've seen with the coach. Along the bottom portion of the compartment doors, we painted them complete along the whole bottom because they had a lot of nicks and scratches from just wear and tear from having the coach. But in all, it came out really good. Did the rope lighting on the inside.